My name is Diane Walters, and I'm deeply passionate not only about learning and education, but about the teachers who deliver it. Teachers are at the helm of humanity, struggling to find their center in a very changing world. And I've created a workshop that is designed to help teachers catch their breath. As a teacher who has taught for 25 years in classrooms around North America, and 10 years writing and delivering online curriculum in the province of British Columbia, I'm here to help your teachers adjust to a new form of teaching both online and in the classroom in a hybridized, blended way, while keeping their own still point, their balance inside themselves. I look forward to working with you and your faculty on a professional day of wellness.